Hi everyone, welcome to my HTML course. In this lesson, I want to talk about what is HTML elements, what is HTML attributes, what is HTML elements exactly. HTML elements usually consist of starting tag or opening tag, content, in tag or closing tag. For example, here we have the paragraph tag. And here the first P is starting tag. Hello world is the content of the element, and the last P is the in tag. In tag has a forward slash as well with itself. So what is empty elements? HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. For example, here BR tag, IMG tag, HR tag, all of them are empty elements. What is HTML attributes? All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attributes usually come in name value pairs like name, equal sign, and its value. For example, here title is an attribute that gives information about IS, and its value is information systems. So right now we have an example of HTML document that express or show a element example, empty element example, and attribute example. And I want to write in Visual Studio Code this code and practice. You can also use Notepad for better practice of this code, and right now I prefer Visual Studio Code. So I open Visual Studio Code here. So first I want to write doc type, then HTML. Here we have head tag, and our title is lesson 2 body. So here first I want to write example of element, example, for example. So here, for example, I want to teach you HTML. Okay, so here empty element example. So for example, HR, I want to create a horizontal line. HR empty tag creates a horizontal line. So another one is we have another attribute. Okay, attribute example. For example, I want to create a paragraph tag, and here I want to write is. So title, I want to use title attribute, and here I want to write the meaning of is as the value of title, information systems. So right now I want to open or run in this file or our code by Chrome browser. So I open it. So it's here. It's the result of our HTML code, and it's the paragraph example. It's the empty element example, and it is the uh, attribute of title attribute. Okay, So when I put the cursor on iOS, here we can see the value of title like information system. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Please follow CodeBits for more videos.